There are books in the Bible that speak softly, and then there is Revelation, a book that speaks like thunder in a quiet room. A book filled with strange visions, beasts, trumpets, angels, seals, and a final battle that shakes heaven and earth. Many fear it, many avoid it, but Revelation was never written to scare the faithful. It was written to strengthen them. And today, we will look deep into this ancient message together. Welcome to Bible Voice AI. Today, we step into a vision that was given to John while he was exiled on the island of Patmos, alone, silent, surrounded by the sea. But in that silence, heaven opened, and what John saw was not just the end of the world, but the victory of God's kingdom, the fall of evil, and the hope that waits for every faithful believer. So take a breath and walk slowly with me through this ancient revelation. 1. Revelation begins with a voice, not a warning. Before the beasts, before the seals, before the trumpets, Revelation begins with Jesus speaking to his people. John hears a voice behind him, a voice like a trumpet, a voice that shakes his spirit. And the message is simple. Do not be afraid. I am the first and the last. I am alive forevermore. Revelation starts with confidence, not fear. The story opens with Christ reminding his church that he stands above time, above kings, above death itself. This is the foundation of the whole book. 2. The letters to the 7 churches, a mirror for every generation. Revelation speaks to 7 ancient churches, but their messages describe the battles of every believer. Ephesus, love growing cold. Smyrna, suffering but faithful. Pergamum, surrounded by darkness. Thyatira, compromise creeping in. Sardis, a name without life. Philadelphia, small but strong. Laodicea, lukewarm and blind. These letters show something important. Before God deals with the world, he strengthens his people. Revelation is not just prophecy, it is preparation. 3. The throne room. God is still in control. John is lifted into a heavenly vision. Thunder rolls. Lightning flashes, angels circle the throne, elders fall in worship, and in the center, a throne that cannot be shaken. The message? Before the storms of Revelation unfold, God shows John the throne to remind him, no matter what happens on earth, heaven is not in chaos, God still rules. This vision is the anchor of the entire book. 4. The Lamb opens the seals. Christ guides history. Then the scroll appears, sealed 7 times. No one in heaven or on earth can open it. John begins to weep until he sees the Lamb, not a warrior, not a king with armor, but a lamb that was slain. This moment reveals the heart of Revelation. The victory of God does not come through force, but through the sacrifice of Christ. As the Lamb opens each seal, history unfolds, not by accident, but under his authority. 5. The beasts and the battle. Evil has a limit. Revelation shows the rise of evil in symbols. The dragon, the beasts, the false prophet, and the rebellion of nations. But every time darkness rises, its power is limited, its time is short, its authority is borrowed. Evil looks large, but it is never in control. Even at its strongest moment, God sets the boundaries. Revelation is not a story of fear. It is a story of limits. Limits placed on evil, limits placed on suffering, limits placed on darkness. 6. The fall of Babylon. Earthly power cannot stand forever. Babylon represents corrupt systems, corrupt kingdoms, corrupt wealth. It rises proudly, but it collapses suddenly. This scene reminds us, no empire is too big for God to bring down. No throne is too high for him to humble. No system of darkness lasts forever. Revelation reveals the truth behind history. God allows kingdoms to rise, but he alone decides when they fall. 7. The final battle. Christ wins without struggle. When the final battle arrives, something surprising happens. There is no long fight, no equal match, no struggle between light and darkness. Christ appears, and the battle ends. The message is simple. God does not compete with evil. He ends it. 8. The new heaven and new earth. The true hope of Revelation. Revelation does not end with fire. It ends with home, a new Jerusalem, a place with no pain, no tears, no night, no death. a place where God lives with His people forever. The message is not destruction, but restoration, not fear, but hope, not an ending, but a beginning. 9. The real message of Revelation. If we strip away the symbols and visions, the message becomes clear. God wins, Christ reigns, evil falls, the faithful endure, and a new world is coming. Revelation is not a book of fear. It is a book of confidence, a message that no matter how dark the world becomes, God's plan cannot be stopped. If this message spoke to you, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Bible Voice AI. And join us again as we continue to explore the deep stories and hidden meanings of Scripture, slowly, clearly, and with the ancient wisdom they carry.